These are bees swarming, and
yeah, I'm taking this. I'm inside the house, taking this through the window. We were outside in the garage, and JC was just like, "What kind of bugs are these?" I'm like, "Bugs?" And I was like, "Yeah, those aren't bugs. Those are bees. I don't know what caused them to swarm, but they're everywhere."
At first, I thought they were termites, and I said we should just go inside the car.
Move over, Nathan.
And these are bees swarming, and it actually kind of looks like they're going in that hole.
Doesn't get a very good view when I can only do a close up on them.
And sometimes the bees fly over here.
All right, move over.
Okay. So to actually see them.
Yeah, we ran in the house, and as you can see, my husband, who is
hiding in the car,
highly allergic to bees, jumped in his car, in the truck.
You can hear them.
No, I think Daddy started the car, so he's not. He turned the air conditioning on. Blinds.
Someone pissed them off very badly, and they're swarming.
This window's dirty.
And my head's causing a ton of sweat, which is melting on the window. Which I hate on sweat. I should have just been named Sweaty. Oh.
They seem to have migrated from our front yard to the neighbor's front yard.
Oh, it's going to be hard to get outside.
So I don't know if there's something over there attracting them.
Coming over to the tree. Nice. Because there's maybe 2 or 3 flowers. On the very top, you can see some flowers. It's like they're attracted.
Very interesting.
To that hole. Wonder what made them mad.
I don't know.
And